Good morning all, Ron from Great Annex Co coming to you from Townsville Expo running this weekend. Come to you with the deal of the week, the hot deal of the week. For those who have been following at home, I think we're up to deal number 4, maybe 5 now. But this week, our hot deal of the week is on our replacement awning fabrics. Now these are great quality 4-ply materials, super duty, long lasting, less shrinkage, less heat radiation through the material, 5-year warranty, 3 big colors, just a great quality skin to replace on your rollout awning. So if yours is looking a little bit tatty and needs an update, this is the week to get yours organized. We've got a great DIY video if you're in the regions or not nearby us in Brisbane to get it installed. We have service points all over the country. Check out the contact us page for 25% off. So get to greatannexes.com.au, get your deal now. If you're in Townsville, come down, say good day.